Assalamualaikum. Hi everybody. Today we are going to talk about how many. How many? We're going to talk about numbers of things. How to count numbers of things. Are you ready now? Okay. Here is the next slide. Look at the picture. All right. It's the school. The school situation now. Let's count. How many chairs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 chairs. Alright, now let's count. Here we're going to talk about numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, now let's count. How many chairs? 1, 2, 3, 4 chairs. Yeah, 4 chairs. We're gonna learn about new vocabularies. Look at these pictures. 1, 2, 3 rulers. 3 rulers. Umbrella. Umbrellas. And there you are. Can you see the girl? She's going to school. But it's raining, so she needs an umbrella. Umbrellas. 1, 2. And also, she prepared the books. Alright, we're going to read
Reading Chest.
the text
Page
here
41.
taken from the English Chest.
G.
Are you ready to
Read,
listen?
trace, and write.
Here we go. Ready?
In the morning, we go to school. We take our books. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the rain, we take our umbrellas. 1, 2. We like school.
Now, let's say another chart of numbers. Let's say these numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, I know you can do it. Now, let's count. How many? How many? How many rulers? 1 ruler. How many books? There you are. 1, 2, 3. 3 books. How many balls? How many balls? There you are. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 balls. And how many pencils? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pencils. Now let's discuss how many is used to ask numbers of things. So how many itu dipergunakan untuk menanyakan jumlah benda. But of course we have to understand about numbers if we want to talk about asking the numbers of things. Yeah? Okay? That's all. And I hope that you never give up studying. Goodbye. Assalamualaikum.